What is Level 2 and why is it so important for trading? Level 2 has a prominent position on the main site menu and the quote navigation bar. Level 1 is the quote, the bid, the offer and the last trade. That's it. Everything else, high, low, change, are all derived from that information. The bid is the highest price order to buy shares and the offer is the lowest price order to sell shares. But there are far more orders that you cannot see queued up in the order book by price and timestamp behind the bid and offer. This is Level 2. This is the electronic order book. Being able to see the positions of other traders can help you to judge market liquidity and price direction. Aided by our chart, summary and Level 2 histogram, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market and adjust your positions to help improve how you trade. And for small cap stocks, watch how market makers position their quotes on and around the spread. Level 2 is an invaluable information source for serious traders. Try ADVFN Level 2 today. Free trials are available. Good luck and good trading.